When you look at successful communities, chances are you'll find successful schools. Now, not only does community involvement foster success, it adds immeasurable value to the process of public education. Community involvement is more than just parental engagement. It defines partnerships. These unique partnerships are found between schools and local businesses, churches, and numerous organizations. And the collective values from these relationships solidify the most important contribution a community can make to a school, to support and enhance student achievement. Now, delivering a unified message that we care, we support, and we encourage every student in a community is truly priceless. Make education a priority.